Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to make a sea turtle, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a circle, but instead of the circle being completely round, we're going to have a small point at the end of the circle on the bottom. Let me show you what I mean. So we're going to start here towards the bottom. We're going to come up with our circle. We're going to come around, and then we're going to end up at the point. So it's going to have a little point at the end of the circle. The next step is we're going to go back up, straight up from the point, and we're going to make the sea turtle's head. So the way that we make a sea turtle head is we come up, and then we make a very large, I don't know, maybe an upside down C, and then we come back in just like that. Now we can put an eye on our sea turtle and maybe even a little smile. Now let's move to the side so we can put his fins. So we're going to come out and down. We're going to come out and down. And then we're going to close these up at the bottom. So we're going to come in and we're going to come in. Now we're going to make the back legs of our sea turtle, and we're going to come down, and I'm about to run off of my paper, but that's okay. I'm just pretending like the leg is going off the piece of paper, and then the same thing on the other side. So it's just kind of a curved line, and then we close it up. We're also going to make a little bit of a tail for our sea turtle, just like that. Now for his shell, you can get really creative with this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow that initial circle line with the point. And I am just going to make a pattern on this shell. This part of the shell, I should say, I'm just going to put some lines like this. And then on the inside of the shell, right here, you can make any type of patterns or designs that you like. I'm going to show you how I like to make my sea turtle shell look, and it's basically a spiral. So we start in the very center, and then we just create a continuous line going around and around and around like this. Now, to tell you the truth, I've never seen a sea turtle with a shell like this, but I would love to see one someday. I'm not even sure if it exists. See how I did that? I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a little bit of a background. So you can do anything that you want with the background. I think I'm going to put a little bit of sand here at the bottom, jump right over that fin, and then I'll put a few rocks down here to make a rock. All you need to do is you need to make a flat area, which is just a straight line, and then a little bit of a bumpy area over the top, like a little curved line that's a little bit bumpy, and that'll be a rock. And then we also have some plants, some different types of sea plants that go right into the sand. To represent sand, a lot of times I just like to make small dots. So if you'd like to do that, you can, or if you want to put any other sea creatures down here at the bottom, that would be fine as well. And then I think to represent water, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some swirls and curly lines, and that will represent the currents that are going on in the water around my sea turtle. Maybe one over here. There we go. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.